Right. Has everybody grabbed themselves a little drink? You know? Has everybody done that? That's nice. Or at least it's... I think it's nice. How's everybody doing though? Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. I was actually setting up Nightbot to do the right thing. So this is where we left off. How's everybody doing? Welcome to Naya. Long time no see, man. Holy shit. And he's gone again. It's fine. So Wilkins, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. And sending us here too. Gosknell was long time no see, yo. Medina's here too. Wolfie's here. Let me see. Did I miss anybody? Bean is here too. Bean was... No, Wilkins was the first one, then Bean. With his cool cats coming in. Alright, how's it going? I'm so bored. Are you coming tonight? Wait, what was tonight? What was tonight again? Did I forget about something? I think I forgot about something. What's up, Lemphy? How's it going? Alright, this is where we left off. So we can... Let me show you guys what we have. So once the app starts up, we can place stuff on the board. And it's in sleep state, so we cannot like move it or anything. The first time you place it on the board, it's sleeping. And then an action has to go through that like ends like that removes this state from the sleeping state, so it can finally attack. The Wraith would enter in the groove and I guess not. Oh god. Oh god. Completely forgot about that. I didn't place it in my agenda, and I was like... It was kind of a shitty moment for me anyways, because I was planning on going out yesterday. But people didn't have time or something, so it got fucked. So I'm sorry. Where is it? Where was it? Where was the rave, though? Where was the rave? What city is it? Here it comes, Papa. Because the whole plan was to go out on Friday, and I will probably be way too broken to live. But in Amsterdam. So I would have to leave around. I think Amsterdam is like 2.5 hours for me. I'm not sure what time does it start. Holy shit, yo! Gosknell was my man. 21 years of reception, and welcome back to the Cats community. Holy shit, Mushu, thanks so much for the follow as well. What the hell, man? 21 fucking years, yo. Hawk Champ, that is my boy right there. Holy fucking moly, dude. You're meeting an Amsterdam around 11. I think I'm gonna be Shaq Offag, man. I think I'm gonna be Shaq Offag, you know? Oh shit, there we go, there we go. That's nice. That's a nice message. Even though I can't be here all the time, I keep supporting. Yo, Kaz, really appreciate it, man. Thank you so much for 21 fucking years, man. That's a long ass time, yo. That's a long ass fucking time. So Wiki Spain, how's it going? Alright. So where we left off. Forehead. Oh god. Alright, let me show you guys. So on our board, it has two states. It has minion IDs and it has exhausted minion IDs. So let me show you guys what that looks like. So whenever I play a card, it comes into on the board of me, obviously, because it's my board. So we check our board. So it has minion IDs and it has exhausted minion IDs, and both of them are IDs. And both of them are like, well, both minions are exhausted. So, let me think. So, if we ever want to make all the minions charge, for example, we just all have to remove the exhausted minion IDs. And what this listens to is end of turn. So if I end the turn, the minions are not thingy anymore. They're not sleeping anymore. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a button here that's gonna say end turn, and when I click that, the minions will be, you know, will be chilling. So the game has a constant. It doesn't have an action yet, but so let's make the action real quick. It's gonna be called end turn, and all it does is just ends the turn, and it flips a boolean around. So it doesn't take any parameters. I think it just does something. It returns an object that calls end turn, and then the game listens to that turn, and it just flips a boolean around. Like, is it my turn or is it his turn, basically? But what it also does, the board listens to end turn, so whenever end turn is called, we can just remove all the exhausted minions. Let me see. The board. So the board listens to end turn, it updates the exhausted minions, and it clears all of them. And now what we have to do is we have to just pass in end turn the action to a button, and then shit happens. Watch this. So we have our board, and we're gonna pass in the action, which is from a game. So it's gonna be end turn, so we can end our turn from the game. Now we pass it in. Mutated state. It's a copy of the state. And 4. So all the actions are just passed in the end turn, and every opponent and the player both get access to it. But I think the end turn button should actually be in between both boards, right? It should be like right here. But it has to be kind of floating because it's not like there's space in between those minions here. So it should be like sitting here on the side of the board, which I think we should do anyways. What the fuck is a Weedle? Oh, a Weedle is a Pokemon, I think. So let me just randomly place a button here. And it says end turn. And if we click on that button, on click, it's gonna call actions the end turn. Let's see if that works. Okay, here's the button. So both minions are now exhausted, right? So what if I click this button? Boom, both minions are attackable now, which is nice. So I can attack face, and it's exhausted again, and then I end turn, and then both of them are chilling again. But obviously when the end turn ends, our turn is over, right? So we cannot do anything with our minions. So we should have a new reducer, which is going to be about the game. So it says like when the game is started, I guess, so we know how long a match is taken. I'm not sure if that's relevant. It should say whose turn it is, for example, and I guess the player names too. Nah, I think these are bound to players and opponents, so it's fine. So that's a little something. We now can end our turn, which is nice. We should also have crystals though, but that's fine. Mana crystals. Okay. So let's go for that. Wait, what branch are we on? I can't remember. This is not the right one. That's not the right one. This one. Add exhaustion to minions. Oh shit, that's actually the wrong branch. Okay. Well, I guess we'll just copy paste it back in. We should have a new branch for master that adds end turn, you know? It's really easily implemented, so it doesn't really matter. Just delete all that. think we're chilling now. All right, so add end turn feature. So I think that's actually what we want to make. We want to make it able to change whoever is in control of that turn. But I do not want to I think we should actually, let me see here. The button gets disabled whenever whenever I end my turn, the button should be disabled, so I cannot end my turn again, because then it would be my turn again. But the enemy opponent should also be able to hit the end turn button, right? So I think we need two buttons. End turn yours and end turn the enemy, which is just for debugging purposes. So I should only be able to click the end turn button when it's my turn, and otherwise I have to end turn the enemy. I got a message from somebody that you should come. What is the best engine or what to make my business? What? What's up, Keepable? How's it going? I got a message from someone that you should come. Man, where's my phone? Oh yeah, my phone is somewhere else. What a Caterpie. What's the best engine? Or site? What? What? I don't understand, man. I don't understand what you're trying to say. I wonder who that would be. Oh god, man. Shit, where was I? What was I doing? Oh yeah. We're gonna add a new board reducer. Or no, not a board reducer, a game reducer. So game, you know, export default function is gonna be a game reducer. It takes state, obviously, and the initial state. What is the initial state gonna be? Initial state. I mean Joomla or something like this. I need to make a professional site for my business and don't know what's best and good. It depends on what your site needs, man. It depends on what your site needs. What am I doing? Import record from ImmutableJS. We're using ImmutableJS, so we're gonna make the default state a record, which has some default values. And the default value is gonna be your turn, which is gonna be true or false. That's all there is to it. And at the start of your game, it should actually be a coin flip, whether or not it's your turn or not, but For now, we're just gonna say at the start of the game, it is my turn. And we're gonna pass in an action because it listens to actions. And what it should listen to is it should flip the boolean. Is this the only thing that we need here? If this is the only value, we can just make it a turn reducer. You're wearing white again? Coin flip? Well, it should be like 50% chance of you getting first round or him getting the first round. So it's kind of the same. Kind of the same as 50-50. Or is a coin flip not 50-50? Totally chat, how's it going? So we should switch around the action type and we should check for a certain action. But I think we're only listening to one, so we can just do action. If the action type is, and then we're gonna check end turn. So if the action type is not equal to end turn, we're gonna return the state. Otherwise, we're gonna change the state. And we're gonna update the value your turn. And we're gonna flip it. Can we like flip a boolean with ImmutableJS? I think we then have to like check the value and just do the opposite value. Makes the most sense, but you never know. Maybe they have something cool in here. Our conversations in a nutshell. A bit of love in the chat. So Wolfie, how's it going? A transport company. It's just a regular website. Well, you just have to find a CMS. It's also dependent on what your server can handle and how much work you want to put in and stuff like that, you know? How many people they have to work with it. You just have to answer, but you just Google CMS comparison 2016 or something like that. I don't fucking know, man. I guess it's yeah, probably WordPress should be fine. What does update do? I can just set your turn to be the opposite of what it is. So it's gonna be state.get your turn, and then the opposite of that. Function. Oh. Otherwise, it's gonna bitch again. Okay, I think we're good now. So if I hit this, oh, the game reducer has to be obviously getting in here. So let me get the game reducer in here. So now we have the game reducer in here. So your turn is true. So if I hit end turn, the game should be false. All right, so now it's not my turn anymore, which is pretty nice. What's up, Sandra? How's it going? I don't want to blog. I just want informations. Yeah, but WordPress is capable of doing everything nowadays. It's not even only blog stuff anymore. Pretty much a full website. But if you're really lazy, you go to Theme Forest, because honestly, those clients are the most fucked up clients, in my opinion. Most of the times, they need like a general website anyway, so you just literally Google Theme Forest, and you go to WordPress, and you download some fucking theme, and you change it a little bit. Most websites look the same anyways, so honestly, just do that. Save yourself some time. Got a work-related party today, PogChamp. Really lazy? Yeah, I mean, you pay 50 bucks and the client pays like 1,200, so you make like a ridiculous amount of money off of that shit, and the only thing you have to do is like change a little bit of stuff. I mean, I used to always make like websites for clients, and then I just realized over the years that every single one of those websites is pretty much the same needs, and they pay way too little to actually get their own website. And then I'm like, fuck me, and then the client wants more, and even the most fucked up clients are the people that pay the least amount of money, and they always want more. So at some point I just got fed up with that shit, and I stopped doing client work. I'd rather just do like SaaS or something. SaaS solutions. But for those companies, you know, it's just... they just want a website. And they don't want to pay money for it. So, yeah. If they actually pay money for a problem that they tried to solve, like, yeah, man, we have this problem. Like, we cannot get more clients to our website. The current website gets really shitty. And stuff like that. That's great, but most clients just need a website to have a website. Obviously, they have like an underlying need. They want more customers, for example. But most of the times, they don't pay for that. They don't want to pay for that, you know, that solution that you want to come up with. So they just want a website and whatever. Just don't tell them that you've WordPressed it. Yeah, exactly. I want something like this. What the fuck? Yeah, that's a WordPress site. That could be a WordPress site, 100%. Yeah, 100%. Wait, let me do one Google search for you, all right? Theme forest. Transport theme. WordPress. Hey, let's go, dude. Hey, you got it. 60 euros. 60 bucks, man. Here you go. Isn't it beautiful? There you go. I made like free advertisements for some random dude, and we did it. It's done. You got your website. The client pays 1,200 euros. You pay $60. It has smooth scrolling. I'm literally vomiting all over the place, but it's okay. I mean, the client doesn't want to pay for a good website anyways. So, you know, you just change it a little bit. You change some logos, and you change maybe some styling or maybe some colors and shit. But get the smooth scrolling out of there. You know, it's not worth. Most of the times, it's not worth. Unless they pay like a fair amount of money, it's most of the times not worth. So there you go. Just Google the right way, and you'll get it. You get there. And that's honestly, I'm telling you guys right now. I'm telling you guys a little secret. Most businesses do this. It's really awkward. It's really awkward. Most web design businesses just buy a WordPress theme and change it. That's a lot of value. A lot of value. A lot of value. So yeah, that. So, the game gets flipped over. So what we want to do is we want to disable the button if the turn is not ours, you know? So if the turn, so let me go to our state here. So you map state to props, your turn. There's going to be state dot game dot your turn. And I think our board, where's our theme first? Muchafur, thanks so much for the follow, appreciate that a lot. Really appreciate that, you know. Yeah, so let me refresh this, let me take a look at my React components here. So I'm pretty sure our board now has your turn true. So now I can use the prop called your turn in this component. So let's see here. So your turn is actually a prop now that we can take away. And then disable if it's my turn. If it's my turn. If it's not my turn. and disabled if it is my turn. So now one button is disabled, so I place stuff on the board, and then the minions are sleeping, and then I end my turn, and now it's the enemy's turn. So now I shouldn't be able to drag this, but I still am able to drag this. Game stopped being a little bitch. Wait, she doesn't even do anything. What the fuck, man? PogChamp. But at least the buttons are disabled, so we haven't built in yet that you're not allowed to drag. So now we have to pass into our opponent, to our player. We have to pass in whether or not it's whose turn it is. So we're gonna pass this in here. Is it your turn or not? It's true or false. Prop validation. All right, that's true. So this is just gonna be prop types, boolean is required. So now our player gets a new value, which is gonna be your turn. So your turn is gonna be a value that I pass in here. Actions before the actions. So your turn. Prop types boolean is required. So then, oh god, now everything has to know about that. That's awkward. Really awkward. I have to pass these all the way down. So ugly. So if it's my turn, I'm allowed to drag it, you know? Can drag. Can drag if it's my turn. So I think board side drop target takes a prop called is draggable. It's so weird. Board side drop target. It's so weird. Ah, that's a good site to learn Redux. What do you mean a good site to learn Redux? Just documentation. Honestly. The documentation is really good. Maybe I have something for you. Wait. I might have something. Front end. JavaScript. Redux. I might actually have something for you. Oh yeah, Egghead.io is also a really good one. Abramov. Whatever, same thing. Yeah. These series are really good. Obviously, I completely forgot about this. I didn't learn those with this because it wasn't out yet, but this is really good. Start from the start. It's really good. I think this was the first one, right? Later on, he added some more. Later on, he had... Oh, yeah, I also had this one. So if you go later on, you can also use this one. Really good. This is by the creator of Redux itself, so... Oh, we broke the app. Is required of undefined. Hold on, what? Oh, bull. I guess it always puts me off. Let's React. Just thought that was a nice way to do it. Okay, this is kind of a problem. This kind of makes me feel a little iffy, you know? Maybe I can contribute. Like, do you have a repo? Yeah, we have a repo. Exclamation mark repo. There you go. It's kind of awkward. This is kind of an awkward position now. Because there's a lot of like deep nesting in this one. Board side drop target is just a a side of the board that you can drop stuff on. And the thing is that inside board side drop target there is a minion drop target because you can drop stuff on top of a minion in order to you know, make him pass it on the right side. So let's say if I drag this on the right side of a minion, or on the left side of a minion, it moves it on the left side of that minion. So you can also drag it on the... So let's say that's a use case whenever there's more than two... Let's say there's two minions on the board, and I place them right in between those two. I drop it on top of a minion, and I drop it on the right side of that minion. So it knows that, oh yeah, I have to put it on the right side of me, but not all the way on the right side. So inside a board side drop target, but now the drop target also has to know, hey, is it your turn or not? Which is kind of awkward. It's kind of awkward. Because this has nothing to do with me being a board side drop target, right? Actually, it is. It is kind of true. We should actually be able to drop stuff on the board whenever it's not your turn. So I guess it's actually fine. Allowed to can drop. If it's my turn, you can drop. Actually, I think this can just be your turn. If it's your turn, you're allowed to drop something on the board, right? The same goes for the opponent. Your turn should be whenever your turn is false. Is that correct? Where's the opponent turn? When it's not your turn. Yeah. If I buy HTML5 template, I edit it on Sublime Text, for example, when I buy this template, I only have a license for one use. But it depends on your license, man. But you can just check that. You can also, there's also support on that shit and stuff. Most of the times it's one license, but I have to tell you that you can you're paying $60 for a template that everybody can download. Then it's like you pay $60 and some other dude on the internet can also buy that template for $60. You know, it's not like you paid us $60 and then the template is gone. No, it's not the case. Opponent's turn. Your turn, opponent's turn. Okay. So whenever it's my turn, I pass that down to the board side drop target. So it's like, hey man, is it my turn? Yes or no? It's gonna be a boolean. Is required. So here we're gonna make use of that because we can drop stuff on the board, and we can only drop stuff on the board whenever it's my turn, you know? Also, this check should be out of here. If template were one-time use, the business would be a way harder, yeah. There have a mermaid champ on League. Yeah, there's Nami. So if props my turn, your turn. Props your turn. There's a lot of validations that are gonna be going on, man. Props. If props your turn, it's not my turn. Return false. If it's the board size is greater than 7, return false. Greater or equal to 7. It can never be greater than 7, but whatever. She's a lot of fun. Plan to invest on a 1500 euros PC for the next 5 years. Because my PC is 4 years old. Worth it? I know what you're gonna do with that. 1500 is a lot of money, man. If it's not my turn, it should return false. If the board size is bigger than 7, which would never be the case, but you never know, it should also not be able to drop it. Oh, I broke the app. What is wrong? Is required of undefined. Oh, I fucked up again. Did I say boolean again instead of bull? Bull? Okay, where was it? Oh, it's still in player. Really? God damn it. It's bull. Alright, we're chilling now. So I guess what we can do now is, if it's not my turn, so now I can place stuff on the board, right? I can place stuff on the board, but if it's not my turn, so it's the enemy's turn, I cannot place stuff on the board. But honestly, I wouldn't even be able to drag, you know? Should not even be able to drag at all in the first place. I cannot drag it on minions either? Oh, I can still drag it on minions. God damn it. Two, one. It's not US, it's CD. I'm from Canada. 1,000 euros. Oh, okay, still the same thing. Still the same thing, still a lot of money. But what I'm saying is, it all depends on what you want to do with it, you know? Okay, there's validations all over the place, and that's not what I like to see. So I kind of want to, like, put this in one place. I'm not sure how yet, though. Because we have minion drop targets too, so I think, like, we should do the validation in this one, and then pass it in here, you know? I'm not sure if there's any different validations. I don't think so. Because this validation is exactly happening here too. Look, it's really awkward. It's exactly the same. And pretty much this is also happening. Exactly the same. That's a little different. It's a little different. Not exactly the same. Almost the same. Some small differences. You just bought a... Holy shit. Is it a 4K monitor? I think now he's free to play soon. Yeah, you should check. You should always, like, play the free to play stuff. But yeah, let me just focus on my app real quick. So the can drop, I kind of want to have can drop as a props to board side drop target. Or to minion drop target. So that this thing checks, hey, am I allowed to drop? If so, well, that's just really hot right now. Okay, let me check if there's something in here. React D&D. Maybe there's actually something really fancy that just says like, hey man, yeah, if you have a nested thingy, you can just pass it down like this. You never know, man. Sometimes they have like really fancy stuff. Drop target. So we have a drop target here. And can drop. Takes a monitor. I've become the hunter. So Kash, how's it going? The hunter, the hunter. Use it to query the information about the current drag state, such as current dragged item and its type. I'm thinking like maybe I should take out oh, this is actually kind of difficult. I have to like think about this for a second. Because right now this is in here. This thing only has access to props. Like I could make a function, I guess, inside our board side drop target and call that function based on like the props that I have. I think that's okay to do, I guess. I think people do this, I don't know. And then this the valid can drag. And what can drag does, it takes props, it checks the props, can drag is this can drag, find this. It checks this stop props. It does all this basically. This dot props and this dot props the board. Beautiful. And then we call this in here. So can drop takes a monitor, I think. Oh, it doesn't have access over the component. So Mr. Jojo, how you doing? Like leave a Sublime Donato. You know, I used to use Atom, but it was kind of slow. I'm not sure if it's better now. Might be. I think there's a monitor second. Let me see. That kind of sucks, because then I cannot access this method. It's faster now. I recently tried it out again. I still prefer Sublime though. I don't know. I mean, I've got everything working in Sublime, so nothing to worry about really. Oh, I'm level 70 in League. It's okay. It's okay. Right. So I play something on the board. And I get a board. Your turn, true. Okay, so it's kind of weird. I have to pass the same validation as here to the other thing too. Kind of weird. You think of Fim? I have nothing to say about Fim. I've barely used it. Barely used it. What about the monitors that I can use? Monitor is over. Kind of rough, man. Kind of rough. Okay, so let me tell you guys about the problem that I'm facing right now. I have a board side drop target. You can drop stuff on the board. You see, you can drop stuff here. You can see I'm getting a lot of events that, hey man, can you drop? And then it like tells you whether or not it's true or not, which is great. But I can also drop stuff on a minion and they use exactly the same validation. They also have to check like, hey, am I allowed to drop this on the board, you know? So I'm like thinking, where should I place that validation? Where should I place that validation? I could just make a function here. It takes props. And it's like validate or can drop or something. And it takes props. I think that's possible, you know? And it returns, it just does this stuff. And then it's just this. And it just does this. Whoa, 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 whoa. First I have to copy paste this. It just does all this stuff. Which is great. And I can also use this feature. Mr. Jojo, thanks so much for the follow, man. And I can also like pass it down here. Can drop, or can drop is can drop with props, which should then return true or false. And I think it's better than to just put in your turn, and board size. Like if your props is your turn, if it's not your turn, return false. If it's this, the board size is greater than 7. And then you pass in this. Oh, it's kind of ugly too, right? Return is not defined. This is working? Okay, it is working. When is the validate run? When you click on a card, when you try to place. When I try to place it. So when I hover over this thing, it should like check whether or not I'm allowed to place. So if it's not my turn, I should not be able to place it, you know? And then, so I make a prop for the drop target, meaning drop target now gets a prop can drop, and it just only takes can drop, which is true or false. Boolean is required. So it kind of depends now on the other thing, so now I can just call props dot can drop, and this will return true or false. Expecting it to sign a function call. Here. Like this. So now it places on the board. Now I can place stuff on the board. If it's not my turn, I cannot place something on top of the minions, nor can I place it on the board. When I use this props directly inside the can drop function, because it's outside the component. Could also do it here. Oh, I also can drop in here. The thing is, I cannot access this here because this is not inside the component. What do you use for server? SAMP or something? No, nothing like that. I'm using a Webpack dev server, which is using Express, which is a Node web server. For development, that is. It's gonna all be gone then. I'm still not sure if this is the right way to do it though. But I feel like there's no other way. It's not my turn. Cannot drop anything. But I also should not be able to drag stuff, right? I don't think you're allowed to drag stuff if it's not your turn. So I guess we can implement that too. So a player has a hand. Oh, that's the wrong player. So a player has a hand, and a hand not only takes cards, which are draggable cards. But what I think they need is can drag is something. So it takes can drag. Prop types is a boolean. And it should be like can drag yes or no. And then it passes it down to this one. We should also have like a can drag. This can drag. Whoa, that was weird. You can just ignore the dropping completely. Let's just say yes. Didn't you have is draggable when it's... Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. I'm not sure if we should make the drop targets be validated. Like, hey, can you drop this on the board? Maybe it should just be you just cannot drag anything if you're if it's not your turn, because then you cannot drop something on the board either. You know. So I guess that might be better. Because right now you can still drag, but if you cannot drag, you can also not drop it, right? Because you cannot drag it. So that's what I'm thinking too. Like we could shift the validation a little bit further. Yeah, exactly. I think that's better too. So the draggable card is also has a can drag, I think. So drag source. And I think a drag source has a validation called can drag, which is exactly the same as the other. And this one just checks like, hey man, can I drag? Return props can drag. So it requires a scaling on hover. And drag is if it's my turn. I think we now did it. Wait, did I miss something? Let me see, what did I forget to pass something down? Maybe I forgot to save the hand. Draggable card is dragging false. Can drag true. Oh yeah, obviously we can drag because it's my turn still. Makes sense. End of the turn. So now I can drag. I can still hover, but I cannot drag. But I think what Hearthstone does is when you drag it, you can still drag it, but then it like pushes it back, I think. So, still think you can drag those? Yeah, so those things also have to know whether or not it's my turn or not. At least these things work now, it's good. Oh my god, what the fuck? Oh my god. I'm dragging the names. What The fuck am I dragging? I don't know what that was, but alright, it's fine. Okay, nobody saw that. Nobody saw that, guys. This is some interesting CSS, by the way, here. It's makes it kind of look a little interesting, but it's fine. And if it's back to my turn, I can still drag it. So I can attack with these now. I can attack with these. Oh, I died. And it's my turn again. Now I can drop. Drag. Okay, you select none. I guess so, yeah. But I think it's actually fine. I think it was just because I selected this 30, and when I dragged then, I don't know. It doesn't work anymore, so I guess we're chilling. I don't know what that was. Let's just hope for the best. Yeah, I changed a lot of stuff. So I think we can change. I think we can remove the validation from the board side drop target because we cannot drop anything anyways. Or at least the your turn one. Because I still want to check on the board side though. But I think I want to check that once and not like for every board side drop target thing. So it's like can drag. So I'll just add the validation here, I guess. Validate a board full. Is board full? Is that a good name? Is board full? And it just checks like, hey, is the board full? Props the board dot size greater or equal than 7. Is board full, and it takes is board full. $15 years old? Yeah, I'm 15 years old. His Dragon library does not start with the animation end frame of the CSS transition, but rather there is a short blink back to the default position. Looks unsmooth, but later I assume. Wait, try to drain. Can a replicate issue close? I know, right? Oh, I'm actually 13. I'm actually 13. Never mind. You know, this looks so trivial. Actually, I think I'll just do that in here in the render function. Is that efficient? I guess we have to, actually. It's fine. Constant is board full is gonna be just this. Kind of feels a little dirty though. There's a hard-coded 7 here, for example, is what I'm talking about. Makes me kind of feel a little uncomfortable. So the board side drop target now checks is the board full. So we can remove all this validation stuff. And then we only check is the board full or not. Props. Return props dot is board full. Is board full. Right? And then we do the same thing here. Can drop, drag and drop. Can drop is just gonna be, hey, is the board full? Right? So that's the only validation that we have right now. So I don't give a shit about your turn anymore. Because you can just drop everything on the board, but you're not allowed to drag anything. So we shifted the validation somewhere else. So your turn is not necessary anymore. We remove that from here too. We don't need that anymore. Oh, we actually still need that here. and here. Just not in here. So is the board full? Is a new thing that we get here. Board set drop target, checks if the board is full. If the board is full. Returns true if it's... Wait, returns true if it's full. So can drop is not if the board is full. Thought about creating a semicolon script language? There's actually something that Ventig showed me. Hey, where was there an extra enter there? Can drop if the board is full. That makes no sense. Okay, if the board is not full, obviously. Okay, are we winning? We're owning. It's still drop, but it's not my turn. I cannot drop when it's my turn again. Let me see if I can drop more than 7 cards on the board. Now 6 cards, 7 cards, 8 cards. Oh, I'm not allowed to drop. God damn it. Have you played Overwatch? Yeah, I did. I think it's awesome. Man. That's awesome now. That's cool. That's cool. It's cool. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Cool. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. So we're not allowed to drag a minion. Oh god, it's gonna be fucked up. Because this thing actually has to know about your turn. Because this minion can only be dragged if it's my turn. That's filthy. So now, just past... I took out your turn, but I still need your turn. So we're gonna go continue on where we left off. Great. Board set drop target. Let's go, boys. It takes your turn. Your turn. And then the minion drop target needs to know about my turn too, because it renders a draggable minion. It's so fucked up. But there's no other way in this library. It's really fucked up. It really makes me pissed, actually. The reason for that is because every drop target and drag source need to have a normal DOM element as their first thing. So it needs to be a diff or a span or whatever. It just needs a DOM element as a render function. So I cannot like pass in 2 things, because then it renders the wrong thing. It kind of makes me pissed. Get decorated component instance. Okay, wait, let me see. How did they... Can make chess move. Oh, that's how they do it. They just pass in a prop that is a function, or is it not a function? Wait, where did they have the function?
Everyone, get in here!
Gilvoil 97. Thanks so much for following. Where did it have that function? Look, they have like this beautiful can make chess piece move, but it's never defined. So I'm like, shit, man. I really wanted to know where that was. Damn it. They're cheating. Like, the documentation is broken. God damn it.
Everyone, get in here!
Experts Online, thanks so much for following, man. Okay, whatever. Doesn't matter. So, our minion drop target now has to know about your turn. Kind of awkward, but I guess it's fine. know. Also don't really like this, but you know.
Everyone, get in here!
Carlara, wow, thanks for the follow. Is that a hot grill? Is that a hot grill, boys? Shit. So the main drop target has to know about my turn, because it needs to pass it down to a draggable minion, which then takes can drag, which depends on your turn. If it's my turn, it can drag, otherwise it cannot drag. Kind of important. So let's just drop it right here for the funsies, you know.
Everyone, get
Did you use a boilerplate for Webpack or just a scaffolder? No, I just made it myself. Some need my love. Thanks so much for the follow. I just made it myself. It's probably not the best, but it's working, so it's fine. Just took it away from like some other libraries. Just looking around, I was just trying to find like the most minimal one, so I knew exactly what it did. So I just built it from scratch and kind of like added stuff on if I needed them. So you know exactly what the whole Webpack thing does. So now the only thing that's left is the draggable minion needs to know about can drag. There's a boolean as well, just like this one. Can drag. And then it just checks here, can drag if... Oh, hello. If the attack is lower than this. Oh, so I guess we just... Your turn. We pass your turn into the draggable minion. If it's my turn, if props is your turn is not true, return false. That's awesome. Your turn. So now if it's not my turn, I cannot drag a minion. So I can drag stuff on the board, it's exhausted at the start. And then when it's not my turn, so now it's the enemy's turn, I cannot drag this. That's great. And when it's my turn again, I can actually drag them. Or not. Actually, listen up. Your turn was not specified. The required prop your turn was not specified. Oh, I didn't save it yet. Ah, awkward. Do it again. Place stuff on the board. It's not my turn. I can still not drag them because it's the enemy's turn. And then when it's my turn again, I can actually drag them and I can hit stuff and it dies. Now it's sleeping, this one, so I cannot attack with it. It's still not attackable. We can drag some more stuff on the board. We end our turn. They get off of the exhausted state, but they still stay not able to drag. And then I end the turn again, and then I can attack with it. So I attack this one, it dies. I can attack this one with face, and I can attack this one with face. Boom. And then we end the turn, and it's his turn again, and then it's our turn again, because he immediately like clicks away. Beautiful. And then we're gonna kill them all. We're gonna kill them all, yo. Look at this. Boom! We did it. I'm in the same position. Most boilerplates are simply too bloated like frameworks nowadays. Yeah, it's like... Okay, the first time I started with React with a project, which was at school, I used a boilerplate because there was so many new things that I learned. So I just wanted to get started. So I got started and I learned a lot about like React and Redux, and so that got me started. But at some time I was like looking at the Webpack config and I was like, what does this all do? So I was like, wow, how the fuck, why not just try and start from scratch and just add things, you know, at the start. So that's what I did, and it's working, so I'm happy. Semicolon script. A is 1. If A is 1. Is this actually working? Oh, it would be compiled too. Oh god. Go see. You really have too much time. Just wasted 23 years on a Winston shirt. Yo, I'm actually wondering when do I get? Sorry, when do I get my shit shirt? Well, let me see. On Webpack, oh, the SurviveJS book. It's awesome, right? I didn't buy the book, but I looked at the website and I was like, wow, this is actually really interesting. Maybe I should buy it. But then I was like, I'm a student. I don't buy stuff. This is really ugly. I have a really low resolution. I was actually just saying, what the fuck is this button, guys? Come on! I thought we were web designers here. God damn it. You're wearing your shit shirt? Nice. Nice. Yeah, like the website in general was really awesome, so. Really cool, really cool. These are paid. I think. Oh my god. Is the resolution really that bad? The page bragging on my browser. I guess it wasn't on my. I think it's because I have a low resolution. I downscaled my resolution to 1280 by 800 because of, you know, streaming purposes. Pretty reactive. Oh shit, nice. There's just a couple of things that I, you know, that I'm still struggling with, and I'm not sure if I do them the right way. But I just want to so at first I was really trying to refactor this app a lot of times, but I feel like I was too busy, and I did that at work too. Back in the day when I when I still had work, I was trying to do it right from the start. Let's call it that. I was trying to make a component and completely do it the right way from the start. So I just add components, and then I'm like, shit, I should rename this, and I renamed the component, and I was like, oh shit, maybe this should be different, and this, and then in the end, I didn't build anything. I just refactored a lot of things, and then it looks nice, but it doesn't do anything. So at some point, I just realized that I just have to build the features first, and then refactor slowly. You know, you can always make things better, but if it works at first, that's always nice. So instead of like immediately making this beautiful face, this is my face, by the way, it's 30 health, it's my face. Instead of centering that and making it beautiful and have these end turn buttons and put them over here and styling and everything, and then it's like, oh my god, it's not the right way of calling this, and then I just rewrite it. I just tell everybody, like, fuck it, we're just making stuff first, and then maybe we're not doing it the right way immediately. Wait, I can still not drag. Hold on. Oh, it's the enemy's turn. Oh my god, I got so confused. Alright, nice. Alright, I'm gonna grab myself a beer, guys. You guys should grab yourself a beer too, if you're allowed. People still think I'm 13, probably. It's fine. It's fine. Oh! Good morning, everybody. Hey guys, is it like beautiful summer weather at you guys' place too? It's depressing. Alright, welcome back. Has everybody grabbed himself a beer? Cheers everybody on the weekend. I'm also graduated, by the way. For those of you that don't know, I'm officially graduated. So I can finally search for a job and like chill and shit. Awesome. So this whole vacation, I can just literally sit on my ass and do nothing and just chill. I'm officially graduated. So that's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. All right. So where are we gonna work? What are we gonna work on now? Is good question. Yeah, thanks, Kosi. Does somebody understand the community spotlight voting thing? I have no idea. Seems lately the creative category gets less exposure, even though Twitch tries to iterate some ideas here. I don't know. I just hate the fact that they put programming in the creative section, because the creative section, yeah, coding is like not really popular, obviously. So it's really hard to get the right exposure, and really people don't really. I don't know. When we still had the programming section, I felt like it was more. We got more exposure. But we could just scroll through the programming section, and now it's like, I don't know, it seems weird. Yeah, that's what I'm feeling too. I never really like scrolling through the creative section. I don't know what it is. Maybe other people do, but I just don't know. I don't like it. Can I post URLs? I'll give you a permit. Okay, so what are we gonna work on now? So now we build this. Let me just scroll through everything that I've built. June 30. Communities all. Oh, you can scroll. Oh, that's awesome. That's pretty cool. Then you can now click on the hashtag and then something, and then you basically scroll through games of the creative section. Hashtag ArtStation. Why does it have a custom layout? This doesn't look like Twitch at all. What the hell? Alright, wait. Let me show you guys. Kind of weird, man. I don't know what this is. Is this still Twitch or not? Is this something completely different? I don't know what this is. A leading portfolio. Oh, this is completely a different side. I was already thinking. Wait a second. Is this from Twitch or something? This is just paid shit or something. The leading portfolio site for artists and industry professionals is partnering with Twitch. Oh, it's partnering with Twitch. Oh, I see. You just can vote using emotes on a few streams randomly selected from the community. The channel with the most votes get the spotlight, and that streamer will be featured on the spotlight for a period of time. So Deadmau5, how's it going? Is the game playable yet? It's not playable yet. Well, you can download the game for yourself, but not playable yet. There's a way to promote, highlight, create streamers, so we create new spell images, testing a music game dev. Is game dev actually used a lot? This is so weird, right? Why does it load so slow? Look how slowly it loads! What the hell? Yo? Oh my god. What the fuck? Wait, what? How many fucking scroll things did they hook into this? That is not smooth at all. I've never seen this. I never checked the creative section, so I've never seen this. Oh my god. What the fuck? Okay, whatever. Let me see, where am I at? Where am I at, boys? This is also something I really hate. Get the hell out of here. If I want to scroll through the creative section, let me scroll through the creative section. Not autoplay that shit, you know? There's not another way to scroll through the game section like you do here. You know? So I click on creative and then it starts autoplay. God damn it. Get the hell out of here. Let me just scroll. Pixel art. That's awesome. That's awesome. So where are we? Oh, here. Here we are. Wait, what language is that? What language is this? Hold on. Asset proxy. Split args. Is that args? It's not. I can't really say. This is not the syntax of JavaScript. It's not JavaScript. It's split, arg split, globalist, comma. I use Twitch live streaming GUI. None of that crap. Wait, really? What is that? Coding game. Code Academy. Test-driven JavaScript, yo. These guys are building a fucking game, yo! Shit's awesome. Suggest the community. Can I like follow this? Oh, you can follow creative. But then you follow like everything creative, I guess. Or not. I'm user testing myself here. Alright. Help us pick a streamer to watch. Winner is Singularity Gaming with 0 votes! Yay! Oh my god, man. What the fuck? That is so awkward. There's a Twitch chat. There's a Twitch chat next to no stream. Okay, whatever. It's fine. You're in a different A/B testing section as I have a different layout than you. No parallax at my place? Oh shit. Maybe because I'm partnered or something. Anyhows, it's kind of dark. There's no sun in the summer in Holland. Okay, so let's first add this. I think we can actually make this a little easier for now. Since we're doing this in iterations anyways, so let's make the smallest thing ever. And now, let's not make this future-proof, alright? Your turn is just literally gonna be true. And then that's it. It's the your turn reducer. And then it shouldn't actually be in here. Because it should be in your turn.js. Because otherwise we're not doing it the proper way. But a game should have a turn. So this should also be done. Got out of here. Like this. So it should standard be true. And then return false. No, return state. The opposite of state. This is so not future proof, but it doesn't matter. The whole community thinks thing is in beta. In other words, unfinished. Yeah, I understand. Apparently, I'm a beta tester. Could also be location based. It can be factored into a lot of things. End turn is here. And end turn should be not from game, but your turn. I think we're owning now. So I think the game still works now. Fuck. God damn it. I broke it. Your turn of undefined. Oh, state game.
Everyone, get in here!
Blue Waffle. Thanks so much for the follow. So state your let's just do state at the top then, because your turn is kind of ugly either way. That's better, I guess. No, not that much better, but so it's the enemy's turn now. So now it's my turn, so now I can place stuff on the board, you know. End of the turn. Oh shit, it's broken.
Everyone,
It is broken still. Andy, oh, this is Andy G. Thanks so much for following, man. Appreciate that. Appreciate that a lot. You know. Your turn. It stayed your turn. And then when I change the state, it doesn't change. Wait. It does change. End turn. Your turn is false. How are these minions not? Oh wait, right. That's correct. So our board listens to end turn from game, but that's undefined, so it should be from your turn. Now we're owning. So now these are actually going to change. Look. Place something on the board. It's the end of my turn. These are not sleeping anymore, and then when it's my turn again, I can attack. So I attack this one, because this one deals 2 damage, and I have 3 health. But I deal 1 damage, so I kill him without killing my own. Sick. And then I place this Anima Golem and this Azure Drake. And I also get some more cards. I got a lot of fucking Anima Golems, so let's place them all on the board. Don't like this. And it's his turn again. And he doesn't do anything because he's a retard. And it's my turn again. I'm like... and hit. And then I want more cards in my hand. Only get the same cards! What the hell? I want my rare parrot. Oh my god, I'm done. Come on now. The RNG is really bad. I still have to fix the hand mechanics too. They're really buggy. And the rest... oh my god, what the hell is with my RNG, man? There's like a Kappa 16.5 or something. God damn it. Alright, so now I can hit face with all those. 7 health. End of turn. And it's my turn again. And I play some more shit on the board. Oh wait, the board's full. I can't. So I hit... I can't BM him, really. I can do this. And then this. And then I can hit him. His minion should have been destroyed. How many cards can you have max in your hand? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cards. That's what it is in real Hearthstone too, man. You can have 10 cards in your hand. The hand mechanics are still kind of buggy. I'm still happy that we fixed the arc though. The arc is kind of cool. I like that. This card is kind of buggy and it kind of tilts me too. Wait, the cards move when I hover over them. That's weird. It's really strange. There's still a lot of things that should be fixed. Later versions, guys. Later versions. The game kind of behaves in a good way, so that's cool. The thing what we're gonna add now is the mana, I guess. So that whenever I end the turn, and it's my new turn, so that end turn switches, I should get a new mana crystal. How's the arc created? Yeah, let me show you. I think it's card or is it hand? I think it's a card. There it is. And I can't really remember how it works. It's really mathematical. I really can't remember how this works. This is why I shouldn't have done this. It makes 10 classes. And then another 10 classes. And then it rotates that card for a specific amount. So as you can see, every card has a total and then card number 3 of 5, so it knows exactly like how much it has to tilt or not. Okay, so let's first commit this shit, because we've done a lot of stuff.
Give me the mic, I'm back, bitch. Baby, I'm balling.
Your turn is here. Add your turn reducer. Boolean reducer. Okay, what else we do here is just checking. Add card drag based on card and minion drag based on your turn state. Boom. Beautiful. Okay, so what's next? The next thing we're gonna do is we are gonna add mana crystals. So we have this character here that has health and mana, and whenever it's the end of the turn, whenever actually it's the start of the turn, so whenever end turn is called, it should change the mana of the person which turn is not his. Let me make a quick thing for this. Let's make a new function called give add mana crystal. And you can specify an amount, which is normally the 1. So if you do not specify the amount, it's 1. All right? And what this does, it just returns, you know, constant add mana. Oh. Hero, boys. All this does, it just checks, hey, how much mana do I have to add? And it just adds it to it. So this function is called, and then when it happens, we the character of that specific person changes. And I think we need a source actually. Do we need a source? Yeah, we need a source. Because a character is both used on the player and on the opponent. So see, character on the opponent and a character on yourself. So it needs a target. I think what we're gonna do is this. Work? Yeah. I wanna be a hero. Dun, 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 dun. So if the target is opponent, then it changes the amount of mana for that specific person. Because we share the same reducer over different things. So we get we set the mana field to the current mana state plus the action amount. That's what we do. I think that's enough. I think that's enough to do this. So let's call add mana. So let's first test it out here. Let's make a button again. Add mana +1. +1 to you. I wanna be a hero. So on click it calls add mana from characters. Character. Add mana. So let's just test out this feature real quick, see if it works. And it takes a it takes a source and an amount, but we don't need the amount. So first gonna do no. Doesn't really matter to this state, and then the first argument is gonna be a source, which is gonna be, or a target, which is gonna be player. Kind of ugly, I know. But let's just see if it works. So this button should add 1 mana to myself. Do not use bind. I'm still gonna do it. Okay. I clicked the button, but it's actually broken. Let's refresh. Try again. I clicked the button, but it doesn't do anything. Is it being called? No, it's not being called. So enter add mana. Is that a prop? Is a good question. So let me check if that's the case. Console log actions. Let me see if that's the case. Add mana. See, it's a function. It's a function. All right. On click, I should call this. I guess I'm not allowed to do that, so it's fine. Let's do it differently. Maximum, whatever. It doesn't matter. Dispatch. Action and turn. With this as the params. Dispatch not defined. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Does this work? On-click listener. Instead, we got the type object. We still have end turn in there. Oh, what the hell? Oh, yeah, you're right. Oh my god. Holy shit, you're right. Whoops. Ed Mata. Whoops, we're chilling. Okay, refreshing. Oh my god, I'm so fucking stupid. Alright, we're chilling. Ed Mana. Still didn't work. Why does it not even show up as if I cannot click it? Look, it doesn't even... When I click it, I cannot even click it, as if it's disabled. Wait, let me see, what is it? Damn it. Wait. Oh my god, the hand is above the other fucking thing. God damn it. Okay, wait. End turn. Here. Is this thing disabled? No, it's not disabled. Why did I not click it then? Is it behind the hand? Oh, I can click those. Well, let me flip those around. Maybe it's just getting blocked because of console log. So let me do this. Hello world. Bind console. What? Cannot bind of undefined. Oh. Hello world, see? Hello world. Hello world is called, guys. Okay, whatever. I'm doing this now, guys. Fuck it. Absolutely fuck it. Alright. Let's just make this shit work. The amount is gonna be plus one amount doesn't have to be set. The target is gonna be player. Okay, we're chilling. Action is not defined. Actions. Yeah, we're owning now. Shut the fuck up, man. Okay, we're owning now. I think this is gonna work. Plus 1 mana. Alright, now there we go. Okay, we're chilling. We are chilling, boys. I don't know why this doesn't work though, but whatever, it's fine. It is fine, guys. We owned. It was probably just linting. It probably just blocked. That's like something that I haven't fixed in my Webpack config yet. But at least I got like 100 mana now. So what it should be done next is play card should check whether or not I have enough mana to play the card. You know? Because I think you can only play a card if you have enough mana. Right? So that's pretty nice, I guess. So I can give myself mana now. So every turn I can give myself. Okay, so that works. Okay, let's take this out again. So we got it to work. That's the most important thing. Let's just get the hell out of here. Remove add mana, because we're gonna call this from the moment we end the turn. And then based on what the Boolean value is, So let me go to... Oops. This proper eval script? I have no idea what you're doing. Dude, you have so much free time or something, Kosi. What the hell, man? Okay, so whenever your turn, end turn is called, it's gonna return a function with dispatch. It's gonna return. It's gonna do a lot of stuff. So in the end, it will dispatch end turn like this. But before that happens, we want to check. Hey, man. Whose turn is it now? So we check get state. We first check like, hey, what is your turn? Oh, we can just do this. So we first check like, hey, what is your turn? If your turn, then we're gonna dispatch a different action, which we're gonna import, which is gonna be, what was it? Add mana from character. Add mana from character. So we're gonna dispatch add mana, and then we're gonna do source, or target is gonna be based around what the current state is of your turn. So your turn is gonna be, if it's your turn, then it's player. Otherwise, it's gonna be opponent. Let's just do a little bit like this. It's already declared in the upper scope. Your turn. Oh, right. Fuck. Fuck me. God damn it. Current your turn. So ugly. Ugh. If the current your turn is true, then it is player. Otherwise, it's opponent. So it's gonna add mana at the end of your turn. Wait, it should be the other way around. Because we add mana to the other person. So it should be like this. So now, whenever I call end turn, he should get 1 mana, and then when I end turn, I should get 1 mana. Or not. End turn. Your turn is true. And then the character... Wait, why does it not call add mana? No, wait, it should always call this. So whenever I end the turn, he should get 1 mana, and then when I end the turn, or when he ends the turn, I get 1 mana. That's awesome. So now the only thing we have to do is when we place something on the board, it should check the amount of mana that we have. See, whenever I end turn, he gets 1 mana, and whenever he ends the turn, I get 1 mana, and then vice versa. And that until we reach 10. We only do that when we hit 10. You cannot have more mana. You can actually have more mana, but most of the times that's for 1 round. Really sucks. So we should also check if current your turn. Fuck, we also, it's dependent on how much mana he has. Which we should also take out. Oh god. Oh god. Well, that's unfortunate. Now we can infinite amount of mana added, but we should only have 10 max. But sometimes you can have more. So I cannot build it into add mana, because add mana... Actually, maybe we could build it into add mana. Because I think it should... Add mana should have a field if you specify it. But this should also be the first one. The default value should be at the end, I think. And then we have even commented it for you? God damn it. Damn. Let me think here. Family, just a revision. Oh god. In some way, we could make it like add mana. The function add mana could take like a force parameter, which is like true or false, and then it doesn't do the validation. And if you do not specify that, which is like default, then you have then it checks for validation. So it checks like, hey, am I allowed to add mana? Are we already at max or not? Kind of a difficult one. I guess for now we'll just leave it out. Doesn't matter that somebody can have 15 mana. I guess, right? Right, chat? Nobody gives a fuck that we have 15 mana. Doesn't really matter, right? But this is also max mana. This is not... Fuck, man. We do not only have max mana, we also have... Fuck. Spendable mana. Because I think that's it. Every single... Oh, shit. Fuck. We have a difference between normal mana and spendable mana. Because you can have more spendable mana than your max mana cost. For one turn, for example. You can have 11 out of 10 mana for one turn. Then the next turn is gone again. And then the spendable mana you take away, but the maximum amount of mana is what you get at the start of your turn. Sometimes that's the spendable mana is also changed because of like locked mana crystals. Right. Right. That is interesting. I didn't think of that. So I think we have to change our architecture a little bit. Because right now we just have a mana field, which is one and, you know, just rewrite the entire game. No, but it's right. It's correct. See, mana is now 1, but when I added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, when I place something on the board, it subtracts 1, for example. And whenever it's my turn, I can drag 5 on the board, so it should take out 5. But then the next turn, I still should have 11 mana again. Oh. Damn. Just rewrite the entire game. Alright. Alright. Also, this should be on a new branch. Add mana. End turn. Does it have anything to do with that turn? I don't think so. That's what I'm saying. You can have 11 spendable mana, but the maximum amount is 10. That's what I'm saying. There's a difference between spendable mana and the amount of mana that you have for the turn, so to speak. So you can have 11 spendable mana, but it still says 11 out of 10 in the game. Wait, do I have an example of that? Oh, I also have to do that still. So he has 4 out of 4. So he has 4 spendable mana. But when he places something on the board, it's not a but I didn't check that. I didn't take that in mind. So he has 4 mana now. And when he places something on the board, it goes 3 out of 4. So he has a max that goes up at the end of the turn. But then he has spendable mana according to whatever his max is. And then whenever he uses coin or something, he gets 1 extra for that turn. Right? So we have to change our architecture a little bit. Which is fine. It's not that hard to change that. But it's something extra, you know? Sophistic. So instead of having mana as this, I think we're gonna make a new record. But I think we can make this a mana thing. Mana only reducer. We're just gonna take state, and then it takes initial state. Oh god. Okay, new record. It's really ugly. And it takes, as default, it takes this reducer undefined. What do you pass as an action then? Wait, so they have examples that they have examples of that, right? Mission state, blah blah blah. Undefined. Oh, not here. Undefined? Do undefined action. Damn it, I need it. Where is it? I need something. I'm looking for something. Maybe it's in here. Damn it. I need multiple reducers. Multiple reducers. Redux. Counter 1 increment. Oh, they literally made counter 1 and counter 2. God damn it. It's okay. Some good list I did. Oh no, we're not using a song list now. I'm just listening to a playlist of oh, that's how to do it. I moved away from the microphone to breathe in. I'm listening to a Monster Cat playlist. But it's actually not only Monster Cat, it's like Monster Cat versus Electro Now Gaming or something. This is actually what I need. What I needed before, but I didn't find it. I couldn't find it. I was looking for something. Nested reducers. That's what I need. I need an example of that shit. Nested reducer composition. Just message Dan on Twitter. Yeah, he actually said that you could do that, right? But I've already used this before. But normally I use this with like just a regular object, and I just pass in a regular object, and that's fine. But it seems kind of ugly when I do that with a new record instance. What is... I'm looking for something, but I do not know what it's called. Because everything is seems so... Nested reducers, initial state. What do reduces for? Oh, this is Redux. This has nothing to do with React. This hasn't anything to do with React. Redux is just a library that takes care of your store, and you can call simple actions on them, and it changes part of your store. So the parts of your store are called reducers. So let me show you what happens. And it makes a copy of your state. A copy, like it only copies the things that actually changed, but it references to the old ones. So what I could do, alright, let me refresh for you. So at the start of the app, this is what it is. So this is at the start of my app. Nothing has happened yet. This is my state. I have no minions, no player data, nothing. Hand count is all set. So this is like the initial state of my app. This is what it's all about. And then I can call simple actions like new game that changes something off the app. It changes something, and I can fire those actions from anywhere from my app, and it changes my whole application. So when I call new game, I pass in my name and the opponent's name. So that's that part that changes of the app. When I call play card, I play a card on the board, so it changes something on the board. And all that React does is just render that. So I pass in something that has changed, and React renders it for me. But stuff that changed is, for example, this. So whenever I play a card, it changed on the opponent's side, because that targeted the opponent. It changed on the opponent's board. It changed something on his board. It added a minion to the board. Same goes for the other play card. See? Same thing. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. So what this allows me to do is I can see what is happening in my app. There's no state. There's no state all over the place. Nothing has to know about anything else. Everything just, there's one store, and if that store changes, my app changes. And the state of your app can only change through actions. So there's nothing that like manipulates something without nothing else knowing about it. You can only change the store of the state of your app. So your turn, for example, this thing can only change whenever the end turn action is called. So whenever end turn is called, it flips the state of your turn. And I can turn it on and off. Say my app reacts to that. You can turn it on and off, and it changes your turn. So before this happened, your turn was true. After that, it was false. Do you use Jekyll to host a project locally? No, not yet. It's not done yet. So it's not playable yet. What I'm looking for is maybe let me see. Maybe it has something on Egghead about this. Redux. React is specifically made not to mutate the whole application state, just the individual state changes. This is what the virtual DOM is for. Do not require your whole app to refresh. It's not refreshing the whole app. Correct last pass. It's pressing store down from no, that's not what I'm looking for. I was looking for the whole thing. Use the global variables as simple limiters and caches without anything needed for complex functions. Not last one password. I'm using one password and LastPass too. I used to have LastPass, and now I have one password. What am I looking for? This one? Maybe. I'm looking for nested reducers. I can store passwords on my VPS for only $1 a month. Are you interested? Yeah, dude, I'm fucking interested. That sounds awesome. Sounds amazing, dude. Whatever. I thought I could use this mana and pass in undefined, but what about the action? I guess this. You just pass in this. Yeah, I think this was it. Why the fuck does it take me so long to actually know? Constant mana reducer initial state. Okay, so this takes max, which is a maximum of 1. That's the start, right? And the spendable mana is also 1. When we switch over add mana, and it changes the mana reducer. I think I can do this too. That looks way cooler, way better. Update health. Health minus amount damage. So this thing checks. Yeah, is the action type something? Is the action type add mana? Then we're gonna change something about the state. default. And then we're gonna change something about the mana state. So if we're adding mana, So I think we should have two functions: add max mana and add mana, spendable mana. Because there's add mana, which adds like, or you have add spendable mana, which adds spendable mana, and you have add max mana. Because at the end of every turn, it should add something to the max mana, and it should also fill up your spendable mana. Let's just first take the current state and then just change it. So let's only change the max amount. Spendable mana is always going to be 1. State.set max or update max to max plus the action amount. Okay, the app is gonna break 100%. Hold on. Character. Why is it state 11? Hold on. Wait, what? How is it state 11? Oh, wait, it didn't re-render. Character mana object display, blah blah, because the prop types failed. That's such a weird thing. It doesn't re-render. It just crashes, but it doesn't show it crashed. That's so weird. You have to check your console. Okay, prop character mana object applied should be a number. To opponent. So to opponent and the player, they both have mana, which should be a shape with max and spendable mana. So that's one fixed. And then we should also do that in the opponent. It's still copy pasted in here, I know, it's kind of weird, kind of bad. Okay. Using maps as children is not fully supported yet. What? Using maps as children is not yet fully supported. It is an experimental feature that might be removed. Hold on. Wait, what? What did I do, yo? You only lost $1. I like some children maps. What the fuck is this, yo? I've never seen this error. But it doesn't show me where it is either. First children maps, mount component. Okay. Using maps as children is not yet supported. Okay, wait, where am I spending mana? Mana is here. Oh! 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 There we go. But we have to do it on the other side too. on the player side. Obviously. Are we still having an error? Nice. Okay, I see. Isn't that an ImmutableJS error? No, it was trying to render an object, obviously. It was trying to render an object, but it's not supported. There we go. So when my end is over, you get like extra points, but you never get your full mana. Wait, but this is not correct, actually. This is not correct. Whenever I'm first turn, he gets an extra mana crystal. That's not how it works. God damn it. So when are you implementing the component AI? Yeah, I've already done that. I've already done that here. I'll probably just add some extra buttons to the enemy minion or something I can use to attack. Okay, that's actually an error. It's actually a bug. Whenever I end turn, so I'm the first turn, right? It's my turn. He is 1-1, which should be 0-0. But you don't. What happens if you? I think it's just a visual thing, right? I think it's just a visual thing. He has no mana at the start, but it shows as if he has 1 mana crystal. I'm not sure. Can somebody check for me? Can somebody like start up Hearthstone and check? Because I'm thinking I only have videos of like people having... I can actually check it myself if I want to. Because this is like 4 mana already, so he's 0-3. Wait, let me check. Let me check real quick. This is the playlist I'm listening to, by the way. Hello? Blizzard, please. No, I think I just I know my opponent gets a coin, that's fine. I'm just saying that at the start he also gets 1 mana. So I think everybody starts with 0 mana, and at the start of the game, the opponent that has the first turn gets 1 mana, and then at the start of the second, or when at the end turn, the opponent gets 1 mana.
Glad you're here, friend.
This has been a while since I've started Hearthstone. Wait, let me see. This is what I built in React, guys. Holy shit, that's loud. What is this? I'm rank 18? What the fuck is this, yo? I did it, Reddit. This is when I'm rank 18. In May. Oh, okay. What the fuck happened? Wait, was it really rank 18? I don't think it was rank 18. Okay, whatever. Okay, solo adventure. Practice, normal. Why is this so slow? Maybe we're just hacked, guys. God damn it. Okay. How does it? What shows? What shows up? 0-0. See? It shows. Actually shows 0-0. The game shows 0-0 mana. And then I'm like, yo, what's up, shit? I'm gonna just take that. It's a shitty hand. And then I get a coin. And then at the start of his turn, he gets 1-1, and I still have 0-0. And then my turn, and then I got 1-1. Oh, I see. All right. I'm not. Oh shit! I'm marked with wild. Shit. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Should I do it? I think this is actually really good. 4-3, doesn't die to this.
Shall we put a kink in their plans?
Bam. Oh, not like this. If he gets all there. Okay, we're chilling. Okay, no, we're not chilling. God damn it. What a dick, man. What a dick. We got fucked, chat. We got fucked. Let's rewrite the entire game, man. Holy sh... What a dick. Okay. This kills that. But then it's in ping range. This doesn't die. What is this? 2 2s. What? No! Hey, that's cheating! I'm getting fucked, guys. I'm getting fucked. I shouldn't have kept my first hand, but I just wanted to see something else. Okay. Can do 1 damage to that. Professional Hearthstone player. I could do 1 damage to that and draw a card. Then I can hero power. Then I have 2 mana left. And I can play nothing. That's terrible. Or I can place this and I can kill both. And then I have shitty mana curve. That's also shitty. Or I can kill this, play this, get double cards. That sounds fun. So first do this. Losing to an AI. I'm basic too. Dude. Come on, man. Alright, give me this card. I should have actually placed this, but it's fine. Now I got an extra card. I should have placed this. Oh god. Alright. It's fine. It's fine, chat. It's fine. It's fine. It's not fine. Yeah. Summon 3 2/2s. And it has charge. So I have 6 damage. I can't kill that. Do we do 1v1? Hey man, I just wanted to test good game, everybody. I just wanted to test here, you know, wasn't losing or anything, you know. Okay, so now we just have to change something else. So now we go back to our reducer. I was winning there, chat. You guys, stop complaining, we were winning. So everybody starts with 0-0, and at the start of the game, someone gets a... I think we actually need a new thing. I was thinking about what to play against the innkeeper. Shut up, Kim. You play Hearthstone, Kim? Do you play Hearthstone? You're 1v1 sometime, you know? You're not too good. You know? Add initial mana. Could be. I think I'm more like thinking about start game as an action. Start game. We already have new game. And then it 50% flips a coin. Who gets this, the first turn? Because then we can also listen to new game. And then it's like we get 50% chance of who's gonna be the start and who's gonna be the end. And then we can give a coin to the person that is not the start of the thing. So that could also be a thing. I think I'm more of that. The new game takes your name and an opponent name. And then your turn should listen to boy, give me your battle tag. Give me your battle tag, dude. Your turn. Is standard true? Okosi added me. Fuck you. I sometimes play Hearthstone. Yeah, you want to 1v1? If there's a fun brawl, I would actually want to brawl. That's just so much fun. I used to do that with Erwin. It's just funny as fuck, man. We like brawl, tavern brawl, or something fun. What was that? At the start of the game. In here, they dispatches new game, and it should like starter. A couple of things that happen at the start of the game. First, they give him 2 minions on the board, which is like super cheating. Starter player, and then it should be 50% math random. How do we did that? Math random? I think it was math random is greater than or equal to 0.5. And then the player starts, and otherwise the opponent starts. Wait, is it math random? Or was it not math random? Yeah, math random. Okay. What is this crappy music, yo? Get out of my face! Give me the good music. Alright. Starter player. New game, starter player. Okay. So whenever a new game comes in, we're going in, boys. Alright, so whenever new game comes in, is start a player, and then start a player, this thing listens to, hey, switch, action type, case, the case, whenever the case is end turn, it should do what it did before. I can't remember what it was. Case. Default is just state. Whenever is start new game. New game from game. Whenever the case is new game, we see what the action starter player is. Player starting. Is player starting? It did. I think that's better. Is player starting? And then I can just return this. Sounds fun. So now we have the 50% chance to not be given action new game reducer. Your turn is returned undefined. Oh. 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 Oof. Oof. Okay, what happened here? You have an action new game reducer. Wait. Why does it not? The action has no starting thing. Yeah? Oh, new game. Wait, new game. Wait, that's in game? New game. It doesn't take the is player starting thing. Huh. Makes sense. There we go. Now we're on it. Okay. Oh, it's the enemy's starting turn, man! That's crazy! That's cheating. Look, it's not my turn, man. And he already played 2 things too. God damn it. Alright, when it's his turn, he should get mana. So we should also listen to new game. Mana. Oh, that's not possible. That's not possible, man. Fuck. Because those reducers are shared, man. God damn it. So whenever a new game is called, we're starting. God damn it. Was this shit to let you visualize the state? Some React plugin? This is Redux DevTools. Redux DevTools. It's awesome. It doesn't only visualize, it also like this is part of Redux. What's up, Kjeld streaming? How's it going? Look at this, man. The cool thing is you can just go back in time. That's like the best thing about it. It's like play card is being called. Well, we could just go back in time, you know, as if nothing happened. You know, new game has never started, you know. React DevTools. Yeah, but it's yeah. Really cool. There's some extensions for this too, which I probably want to install because I cannot like. You can also commit state this, and this is like the init for just one go because I don't know persist state. You know. Anyways, where was I? What a song, dude. Yo, Kosi, I see you're doing a Tavern Brawl. What is the current Tavern Brawl? What is this year's Brawl? This week's Brawl. God damn it, this is really stupid. Whenever a new game is called, there's no target, you know? Damn it. I think it should give the other person a coin. It should give the other person a coin, and it should give the player that is currently playing. It should give that person. You get a card by mana that you have a turn, if you have one. You get cards by mana. So, wait. So at turn 5, you get a 5 mana. Cool. So you only, okay. So at turn 1, you always have a 1 mana crystal mana or something. Play some James Kappa. James Kappa's kind of a broken card, chat. Rare Parrot is a really useless card. He's always sleeping. Look at that. Alright, my turn is over. The enemy's turn now. Now I cannot do anything, but at least my minions are not asleep anymore. Now it's my turn again. Now I got 1 mana. So now I can attack this thing. Really annoying. Keeps wiggling. Get the hell out of here. And then I want to attack this one. And I hit 16 to face. And 9 to face. Really bad play. I could have already killed him. But it's fine. Now he has 5 health. Now my fucking rare parrot minion cannot do anything. So I play another card. Abusive Sergeant. Boom. You have 5 mana card if you have 1 in the deck. Oh, I see. So you can have the perfect curve. Do you get a random deck or not? Because otherwise you could have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I have a lot of 10 mana cards, right? Or do you get like a random deck? Okay, end of my turn. Okay, it's his turn now. He didn't do anything. Now I'm gonna win. 4 damage. Oh, I hate it when you do not have a random deck. You know what I loved? I love the one where there's unstable portals. That shit was so awesome. I love that one. I really do. Fucking love that one, man. Okay. It's kind of fucked up. How do I come up with this? Whenever you call new game, it should change the name and the opponent name. It should give one person the turn. It should give that person that has the turn, it should give that person a mana crystal, and then the other person should get a coin.
Do this. I never felt this way before. You keep on staring at me, and I can't take it anymore. But I want you to know I'm looking for a place where we can go, and I can say the words.
I can make this feels so ugly.
But you already know that I really want you. I really want you.
I could check if you're the starting player. I should give you some mana and the other person a card. Another way around, I can do that too. I guess I'll do that. It's so weird, man. if player is starting, then we dispatch an action that is called add mana to me, and otherwise it's to the other person. That's always happened. Or not. Yeah, I guess so. I guess add mana target is player starting. Player. Wait. Constant target is player starting. Player, otherwise opponent. I know add mana is missing. I know, no. We're gonna import that. Import add mana. Where was it from? From the character, right? And then if that's not the case, we're gonna add a coin to the other person's hand. We'll leave that out for now. Actually, no. Let's not do that. Let's actually add a coin to someone's hand. So let's add a new card. Coin. Hearthstone. There we go. There's the image. This is the image. Is the coin full art? I think it is. Awesome. That's really ugly. Where do I normally get my cards from? Hydro Media. Oh, actually it is. Okay.
When the time comes, be ready. Don't you hesitate.
Okay. I think we can do that. I also want to add cards by name. I also want to add coin. Is it called the coin or is it just coin? The coin, right? The coin. The coin is, and then a new object with the name coin. The coin is gonna be really rough. It's gonna cost no mana. Mana 0. It has no attack. It has no defense. I don't know why it's called defense either. It's called health, but whatever. And then the portrait is this thing. Beautiful. So now I can import this function, point cards by name, from cards by name. Where do I use that? Cards by name by character. Oh, that's actually just file that I was in. Here. Wait, new cards by name. That's what I'm looking for. New card by name. New card by name. Dispatch. Add card. How do I give someone a card? Wait, what? Draw card. Draw card is always random, right? Draw a card. I think draw a card is always random. Where's the draw card? Draw card handler? Draw card from deck. Oh, okay. Target, draw card. It's always random. God damn it. But I think we could also make it specific, I guess. We need to make a deck. You didn't have random deck. No, I don't have a deck yet. That's awkward. Because draw a card from the deck doesn't take a name. But let's say it does take a name. You could specify a name. If it's undefined, that's fine. And then your hand. This draw card handler listens to, hey, yo. Whenever draw card is called, and if there's no name, if wait, action dot name is defined, then it should return something else than normal. Then it should actually push. Oh god, then we have to specify the name perfectly, but that's fine, I guess. Okay, whatever. New card by name. With the action name. Is that what it needs? Name, yeah. Okay. 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 So normally you don't have to, if you call add card with its draw card, you do not have to specify a name. Now you can. So I actually know where I draw that from. I don't think that's actually a thing, man. You cannot draw something from your... You can never draw a card from your deck. Right? You can never draw a card from your deck and have it be a specific card. Right? I don't think that's ever possible. So maybe this is just a different... Nah, that's not possible. So I think you have draw a card from deck and draw a specific card. God damn it. We can always change that later, Boyd. We can always change that later. Okay. You cannot draw a specific card from your deck. It's fine though. Name is called Bitcoin. And the target is this. But then the other way around. Unexpected token. Because the player that is playing, the other person gets... Okay, I think we're good now. Okay, I think we're good, boys. If I refresh, it's my turn. If I refresh again, it's my turn. If I refresh again, it's my turn. Refresh again. I have really good RNG. I don't know what's going on here. Maybe it's broken. Oh, error. There is no card with that name. Oh, I see. It errored. I was already thinking, maybe I have some really good RNG. There's no card with that name. How is there no card with that name? Bitcoin. It checks cards by name, name to lowercase. Oh, Name to lowercase. Art name to lowercase. I see. Okay, now we're chilling. So this time it's my turn. Now it's my turn. It's still my turn. Now it's his turn and I got a coin. It's a really awkward card though. Dude, coin. Hey. Hello, coin. It's really awkward. It really looks awkward. It really looks awkward. What the fuck? The rest actually looks fine, but this one looks really awkward. Oh, wait. Spells have a different look. Oh, jeez. Spells have squares, pretty much. What the fuck? All minions have circles? That's why it looks so weird. Oh, God. Yeah, it's not just the text. It's actually the whole... Oh, God damn it. Not like this. God damn it. An uncollectible spell. Spell. No, I want spells. Spells. Give me spells. Give me spells. Give me spells. Spell cards. Here we go. Okay. Okay. Show. See, they're square. Kinda. Oh my god. Fuck me. That's so fucked up, man. Oh my god. Epic. What do epics look like? Commons, epic, free, legendary. Do you have legendary spells? I don't think so, right? God damn it, man. Fuck. Alright, whatever. Okay, so I cannot place this because this is 0 mana. Oh, it's not my turn. When it is my turn, I can play this. Oh. Just perfect. Just absolutely perfect. We have no differences between spells and minions yet. Makes a lot of sense that this happens. Okay, that's pretty cool. End of turn. And it's my turn again. I can't do anything with that. He cannot do anything either. Tag this bitch. And a turn. New turn. Okay. Hit face. Hit face again. I'm killing him, dude. Ah, nice. Alright. Cool. Alright, it's a lot of stuff that happened. At least now we have random turns. And you get a coin if it's your turn. So now it's my turn. So I can immediately place something on the board, see? Awesome. How did it have 2 mana? Wait a second. Oh, wait, because it was my turn again. Yeah. Now I have 0 mana. So I cannot place anything, because it's not my turn. And then when it is my turn, so the end turn of the enemy, something should pop up. Like, it's my turn. And then I can use my coin and I drop it on the board. And then I drop this and this and this. Alright, we're in a good spot, boys. We're getting there. We're getting there slowly. We're getting there slowly, guys. It's my turn again. I have 2 mana. Still. So when it's the end of the turn and it's my turn again, I also get a card, right? That's also true. So whenever it's my turn, I get a card. So whenever your turn is called, I get mana, and I also get a random card for my deck. Draw a card, target, opponent or me. Isn't this amazing? Look at this. Look how easy this is. Okay? It's my turn, so I place a 6-drop on turn 1. Because that's how crazy I am. And then I end the turn. And then it's my turn again. And then I get a free card. It's a really shitty 10 mana drop. 10 mana. So I drop this 5-drop and a 3-drop. And I hit this guy. He's being a dick. And I'm gonna end the turn. And I start a new turn. And I get a new card. James Kappa, that's my boy. Okay, and then I hit this one. And I hit this one in the face. End the turn. This one. I got a new Azure Drake. And I use Abusive Sergeant. And then I hit face. And I hit face. And I hit face. End the turn. Start a turn. Oh, nice. I got an Acolyte of Pain, baby. And then we hit face. And hit face again. And we win the game. You can make rare parry to taunt. That's true. Woo! We're getting there, guys. Oh! We're getting there. We're getting there. That is awesome. And the draw card function should, for example, check, hey, has the deck enough cards? This is a little better, you know? This is a little better. End of the turn of I get a card, which is correct. I use this thing. I drop it on the board. You know, that's what I do. Place it turn 1. No, I have 2 mana. I can play 2 Abusive Sergeants. Look at this. Abusive Sergeants are actually not 1 mana, I think. And I end my turn, because they're all sleeping. End turn, and I got a new card. I place this 5-drop on the board. I hit this guy. Did I? 4/4. I can trade this. This guy attack my face. Or, yeah, it's this one. Well, this one for next turn. This one too. I use all my cards. So I'm gonna trade those 2. So it dies. I'm gonna end the turn. I got a new Acolyte of Pain, so drop that on the board. And I kill this one. And I hit 9 in the face and 1 in the face. And 2 in the face. End my turn. New turn. Oh, Azure Drake, I'll take that. Going face. Always face is the place. That is awesome. Alright, we almost have a playable game, chat. We almost have a playable game. The only thing we need is the only thing what we need now is whenever you finish, you finish. The game is over. And then The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add Suck.io, and then we can have 2 players fight each other. And that's gonna be awesome. I think we're actually gonna be fucking owning then. I think now we actually have a fucking game, yo. Oh my god. Alright, awesome. Shit. But then this player starting thing should actually be decided on the server. That's the only thing that should be decided on the server. Because you cannot like make 2 clients do that calculation. So when you make a new game, the server tells you who is starting, and then everybody listens to that. And then that person does something, he fires an action, and that action just gets sent over the wire through Suck.io. And I receive that action, I'm like, dispatch the action for me by the opponent. And then I think we can actually fucking own, yo. That is awesome. That is fucking awesome, man. Awesome. Alright, we're back. I'm gonna go to the toilet. We almost have a game, yo. Fuck yeah. Alright. That is awesome. I think I'm gonna call it here. I think we're gonna play some Hearthstone now. Because I haven't played a game in a while. I was like playing it. I was like, wow, this is actually really fun. We got. Okay. We've changed a couple of things. Let me change one by one. So the first thing we did was change the mana. Split spendable mana from max mana is what we did. Any other stuff that have anything to do with that? Nope. Add random. Wow, this phone is really loud. What, is it actually a League of Legends song? Welcome to planet Earth. What the fuck? Wait, this is actually a Spotify playlist. Like from Spotify themselves. Okay, I still kind of not really agree with this change. That a draw card from the deck should be able to take a action name. It's not necessary, but it could. You could. Draw card handler takes, if the action name is there, it takes a card by name. Otherwise, it's just a random card. Actually, it's fine. It's probably fine. If you get, no, it's actually not fine because I think. What, the animation is different, right? You have, whenever you get something from your deck, you grab it from your deck. If you get a card from your opponent or from another card, it just shoves it from the card to your hand. And if it's the coin, it moves from the coin into the coin. So it goes from the actual coin into the card, I think, if I remember correctly. I actually like this song. So whenever a new game is called, it dispatches new game, but it also dispatches add mana and draw a card for one person. Let's draw card, specify a specific card. Add the coin as a card. To you helper. Adds add mana and card when it's your turn. On new adds randomized new start turn. Boom. So now it's not my turn. I get a coin. Do you still get 4 cards or do you get 3 cards? You start with 3 cards? I think you start with 3 cards, right? So you get 3 cards. You choose 3 cards and you get the coin. Player 1 chooses between 3 cards. Player 2 chooses between 4 cards. And gets a coin. Right? I think so. Alright. I think we're done. Holy shit, what is this? AIDS? The fuck? Sometimes, man. Sometimes it's not even music. You get a 50% chance of being the next player. Spendable mana. It's not my turn. I got a new card. Pretty cool. His turn now. My turn again. If only I could give this guy some more attacks so it could kill this guy. I guess I'll just do this then. Trade this one. Base. I think we won. We won. Alright, nice. I mean, styling wise, it could be. This should still be a lot. Should a lot be done. But It's a great start, right? I think it works fine. All right. I guess that's it for today, or at least for this afternoon stream. Should I play some Hearthstone now? Yeah, I guess I'll do it. So thank you guys for those of you that were here for the programming stream. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys would be so nice, in the chat, Nightbot is spending it from time to time. All the programming streams will be uploaded, slowly uploaded to my YouTube channel, and I need 100 subs in order to change that ugly URL that it is now. So if you guys will be so nice to sub to my YouTube channel, it would be really appreciated. Because I record every single programming stream and I upload them on that YouTube channel. It's going really slow because I have to do some compression. I have to like take off the first part, the intro song and the outro song, because it doesn't start like after like 10 minutes. So it's taking some time, but it's getting there. Also, sometimes there's copyrighted music and I have to like get another YouTube compression thing over it. It's really stupid. It's really fucked up, but slowly we're getting there. It's a lot of work, but slowly we're getting there. So you guys can see like the progress of like where we started and where we are now. So thank you guys for those of you that are coming here for my programming streams. I do those programming streams every Saturday. And for now, we're going to switch to games, I think, and we're going to check downstairs whether or not I have dinner soon. So maybe I'm actually going to stop streaming, and then I'll come back after dinner. I think that's a better idea. So thank you guys for stopping by. Hope you guys enjoyed the stream, and catch you guys after dinner, I guess. Peace.